What is up, YouTube? Hey, today we're going to be going up to the mountains. We're going to go for a nice mountain ride today. It's a beautiful day here in Colorado. It's about 65 degrees. It's not going to be too hot today, so it's going to be a really nice ride. We're going to be going up to Evergreen. It's going to be a pretty cool little mountain town to go to. Enjoy the ride. I don't slow down for nobody, except the police. So those of you who are thinking about buying this bike, you know, I'm going 70 miles an hour. One of the questions that I was asked recently was, well, how's it doing the wind? I mean, you see how I'm sitting right now. I'm doing just fine going 75 miles an hour. If you're wondering what kind of helmet this is the Icon Motovlog helmet. So nice. It feels so good on the head. It's like, it cost $320 to get this helmet. That was before tax. But I put over 2,000 miles wearing this helmet, and it's still comfortable. It's like day one. It's really good in the wind. It's more of an oval shape for your head than it is more of a round shape. Now, if you're Canadian, it's probably going to be a square shape, but... Hey! Hope you guys watch South Park. But it's a great helmet. Really nice. I love it. So pretty. It's even better when you're up in there. So this is where we would play the Jurassic Park theme song. That's how it makes me feel every time I come up here and see it. There's Red Rocks over there. Pretty cool. It's an amphitheater. They have concerts, venues, all kinds of cool stuff. I've never been to a concert there, but I have been there probably like 2 or 3 times just to go visit. I've climbed up on the rocks. You're not allowed to do that, but rules are meant to be broken. So up here, beautiful houses, beautiful mountains, looks really nice and pretty. Now up here, it's kind of a hot spot for the police officers. Going 70 and now it's a 50, so I'm going to go ahead and slow on down here. I'm almost going to guarantee you guys there's going to be a cop. Almost a guarantee. Every single time. It never surprises me anymore. Come on, van, get a ticket. Get a ticket, van, get a ticket. Ah, there he is! There he is! I knew it! I called it! There he is! Get him! Get him! What's up? Hi! Oh, I waved to the cop, he didn't wave back. I like to do that. I wave at all the cops that I see because I like to let them know that I am friendly. And no, I'm not going to run from them. Unless I was on one cop. Uh-huh. Mr. Toyota, now you go the speed limit. Uh-huh. Welcome to Indian Hills. Elevation 6,800 feet above sea level. Fire danger today? Moderate, says Smokey. So a couple things to look out for while we're in here are deer. There are a lot of deer that run through here. So that sketches me out just a little bit, but you should always be on your toes when you're riding anyway. What does the sign say today? Oxygen and magnesium are dating. OMG! Wow! Can't even handle it, man. Look at the pretty meadow. Look at the pretty rocks. Look at the pretty human. Hey! Hey, he gave me a piece. It's like he knew. He knows who Geo's Motovlogs are. He knows. You know, one of the main reasons why I do these motovlogs is because I want people to see different parts of the world, because they may not be from Colorado. I mean, I'm from Florida, and when I came up here, I thought, whoa, this is amazing. It was so cool to see all these mountains. I never saw snow until I was 22 years old. I didn't think that stuff existed. I thought it was just a myth. Seriously. I mean, you live your whole life, you don't see something like that, and then you finally see it, and you're like, whoa, it's so cool. You know, another cool thing about Colorado is the way buildings are built. They're totally different. You know, if you guys are paying attention and looking at some of these buildings in the background here, you can see up here in the mountains, a lot of them are A-frames just because of how much that it snows here. Oh, there's gravel. I hate gravel. That stuff's sketchy, 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 sketchy. And we're good. I just got hit by a bug. Right on my hand and it blew up. Oh, it's gross. Motorcycle problems. Amazing. It's a beautiful state. I mean, look at that. Ah! Ah! It's so pretty. I love it. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do the winter rides up here. Obviously, winter time, it's icy in Colorado. The roads they don't look very good. You guys tell me what you think. I mean, you guys are seeing these roads in the camera, and you get those quick flashes of like those serious amounts of cracks. They're huge. Tell me what you think. What do you think about the roads? So they call it evergreen because there are so many evergreen trees. That's what I assume. Because every time I come up here, you see these massive, massive tall trees, and you go, oh, it's evergreen. Bunch of evergreens. Let's call it evergreen. So that's where I'm assuming the name evergreen came from. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I'm going to assume it is. Quality alternative remedies. They grow marijuana in here. That is a marijuana grow house up in the mountains, guys. Straight up hot. I love the views whenever you're going up riding in the mountains. It just looks so cool. And now you see a lot of evergreens. So many evergreens. Now it's just littered with them. I mean, look at these crazy trees. They're huge. I don't know. If any of you guys play World of Warcraft, you know how like you go and you run in, say, Elwyn Forest, and there are those trees and they're just massive? That's these. It is these. These trees are definitely those kind of trees. They're huge. Okay, so there's a point of interest in 200 feet. What is this point of interest? Is it that rock? Or is it that tree? Or is it this tree? Who knows? Maybe it's this little cabin. Welcome to Evergreen. The heart of Evergreen. Here we are, established in 1875. So it's been around for a little while. A little mountain town. They got a park and museum, which we're not going to. It looks like they have either condos or apartments up here. To live up here, it's pretty expensive. So this is Evergreen. It's a little tiny town. Looks pretty cool. Welcome to the heart of Evergreen. This one was established in 1920. Muddy Buck Cafe. They got the Little Bear. They got a motorcycles only spot, which is kind of cool. Because, you know, you gotta ride your motorcycle up here, of course. It is 61 degrees currently here. Ooh, they have a Baskin Robbins. I think I need to go there. Oh man, I hate these potholes around here. They're so bad. The road just looks awful. Look at that deer. Hi, pretty deer. Hi. Well, that was cool. That's a fun little ride, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and put a comment down below. Let me know what you ride. Tell me where you want me to ride. I'll do it. Thanks for watching, guys.